What will happen if you plank every day for 1 minute? If you're new to the channel, try subscribing and pressing the notification bell. As a result, you will be notified if a new video is uploaded. Bodyweight workouts have recently gained popularity in the fitness community due to their ease and practicality in getting in shape using only your own body weight. For starters, planks are a form of bodyweight exercise that, no matter what, never gets old. This workout is ideal for people who have a hectic schedule and find going to the gym daunting due to time constraints. Even if it's just for a minute, doing a plank every day will help reinforce the whole body. Planking is one of the most popular workouts for toning the abs, according to the majority of fitness experts. They're far better than crunches when it comes to burning calories. Keep watching to see what happens to you if you plank for 60 seconds a day. 1. It decreases the risk of spine and spinal column injuries drastically. When you exercise, you run the risk of injuring your back and neck. When done right, planking strengthens your back muscles without putting too much strain on your hips and spine. As a result, it aids in the relief of back pain while still promoting good posture while sitting and walking. 2. It helps to define the abs. Planks work every big core muscle, which is why they're so effective. We mean all of the obliques and abdominals when we say big core muscles. Furthermore, when you improve at planks, you can improve at other exercises as well. When you go to the gym regularly, you'll find a significant boost in strength in some compound lifts, such as squats and deadlifts. Planking also improves booty gains, which is great news for the girls. 3. It helps to increase the average metabolic rate. Planks are a compound exercise, which means they work many muscles at once. Now, you might be wondering what this entails. In other words, you'll eat a lot of calories than if you did crunches or sit-ups. Additionally, increasing your muscle mass causes you to eat more calories. And the higher your metabolism is, the more muscles you get. 4. It helps you achieve a better balance. Have you ever tried standing on one leg but been unable to maintain a straight posture for longer than a few seconds? If you tripped while sober and looking well, it's because your stomach muscles aren't big enough to keep you balanced. You will increase your mental balance by planking for 1 minute every day. In the end, it will help you do well in whatever sport you participate in. 5. It has psychological advantages for you. Plank exercises have an effect on our nerves, didn't you know? As a result, they're an excellent way to lift someone's spirits. Planking, for one, stretches muscle groups that affect stress and anxiety in the body. When you sit or stand for extended periods of time, your muscles tighten and strain builds in your shoulders, causing you to slump over. Muscles and nerves are overworked in situations like these. Planks will help you relieve anxiety and stress symptoms while still calming your brain. So, are you going to begin doing planks tomorrow? Meanwhile, you can leave your thoughts on this video in the comments section below. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Subscribe to the channel for more fascinating body secrets and tips. Look at your screen, 2 videos have been handpicked for you. See you in my next video. Stay healthy.